I'm Trish Lalo, and I have the privilege of serving as the president of Barnes-Jewish West County Hospital. And I'm thrilled to welcome you as we reach this exciting milestone. Today, as a hospital community, we're marking a significant project milestone. And next year, we look forward to celebrating the opening of our brand new Barnes-Jewish West County Hospital. This facility will truly be the hospital of the future. It's designed to care for patients in the most efficient, patient-centered, and innovative ways right here in Creve Coeur.
This ceremony is an acknowledgement of the hard work of so many people to get it to this point. Not only the planners, the designers, and contractors, but the caregivers, physicians, staff, and even the patients and their families.
Before the first shovel of dirt was turned, before the first beam of steel was set, patients were at the forefront of our minds. We looked to their needs when considering every decision during planning and design.
Hundreds of workers from dozens of trades have been working every day to get us to where we are today. They've done a tremendous job so far, and we're very proud of their craftsmanship.
So if you'll get ready to turn your attention to the reason we're all here, raising of the final beam.